Do you want to improve your French pronunciation? The secret to improve your pronunciation is to care about the sounds, not the letters. In this video, we are about to learn all the consonant sounds. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to learn French, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lexi. Let's dive in. 3 weeks ago, with this video, you learned about the International Phonetic Alphabet for French and all the vowel sounds. Now, we are going to learn all the consonant sounds. As with the previous video, I based this video on my French accent. I am from Paris. Consonant B, as in the English word bed. B, 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 B. Bonjour, beau. Consonant P, as in the English word past. P, 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 P. Pain, père. Consonant T, as in the English word time. T, 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 T. T, été. Consonant D, as in the English word day. D, 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 D. Deux, doigt. Consonant Q, as in the English word can. Que, 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 que. 5, comme. Consonant G, as in the English word gear. G, 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 G. Bag, regarder. Consonant F, as in the English word face. F, 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 F. Femme, fille. Consonant V, as in the English word vacation. V, 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 V. Voiture, au revoir. Consonant S, as in the English word safe. S, 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 S. Salut, pensée. And guys, if you find this video helpful and you would like me to make more pronunciation video, please let me know in the comment section. Consonant Z, as in the English word dessert. Z, 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 Z. 12, maison. Consonant sh, as in the English word shoe. Sh, 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 sh. Chien, dimanche. Consonant j, as in the English word pleasure. Je, 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 je. Jeudi, manger. Consonant L, as in the English word like. L, 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 L. Belle, malade. Consonant R. This consonant sound is a bit tricky for English speakers as you don't have an English equivalent. The sound comes from the back of the mouth. I did a whole video on how to pronounce the French R, so make sure you check it out next if needed. Rouge, bonsoir. Consonant M, as in the English word man. M, 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 M. Homme, monsieur. Consonant N, as in the English word now. N, 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 N. Neuf, nous. Consonant N. This consonant sound is also a bit tricky for English speakers as you don't have an English equivalent. The sounds M, N, and N are all nasal sounds. For M, my lips are shut and I open them in one go. M. For N, the tip of my tongue is against my upper teeth and I remove it in one go. N. And for N, the back of my tongue, same place where you pronounce the G sound, the back of my tongue is against the roof of my mouth and I remove it in one go. N. M. N. N. M. N. N. Ng, 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 ng. Magnifique, montagne. Consonant ing, as in the English word ring. Ing, 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 ing. Parking, smoking. And guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can check out this video next. You can also find the link to the video in the description below.